The Lamborghini rested beneath the glow of white workshop lights, silent yet commanding, its sculpted body carrying the marks of time like a warrior's scars. And as the restoration and cleaning process began, every technician moved with deliberate respect, knowing they were not simply working on a car but reviving an icon of speed, luxury, and Italian passion. The first touch was careful and exploratory, fingers gliding over layers of dust and road, film that muted the once ferocious presence of the machine, and with the slow rinse of water cascading over the body, years of neglect began to wash away, revealing hints of the brilliance hidden beneath. Foam enveloped the sharp lines and dramatic curves, clinging to vents and edges as if embracing the car, while soft brushes traced every contour, ensuring no surface was brushed, no detail overlooked. As the exterior was cleansed, attention shifted inward, where the engine bay told a story of heat, power, and relentless performance. Each component was gently degreased and wiped, metal surfaces regaining their luster, carbon fiber panels once again reflecting light with quiet confidence. The wheels were removed one by one, allowing access to brake systems that were meticulously scrubbed and polished, restoring the striking contrast of calipers against dark alloys, while the tires were cleaned and dressed until they looked ready to grip the asphalt once more. Inside the cabin, the scent of premium leather rose as seats were carefully cleaned, nourished, and massaged back to life, the leather regaining its softness and depth, the stitching standing proud again as a testament to craftsmanship. Dust was lifted from air vents, switches and displays, each button regaining its tactile precision, while the steering wheel, so central to the Lamborghini experience, was restored to a flawless finish, ready to transmit every vibration of the road back to the driver's hands. Polishing began on the exterior with a steady hum, compounds working patiently to erase fine scratches, swirl marks and oxidation, layer by layer revealing a mirror-like finish that seemed almost liquid, reflecting the workshop lights in sharp, dramatic highlights. The process was slow and meditative, demanding focus and patience, but with every pass, the Lamborghini appeared to awaken, its presence growing stronger, more assertive, more alive. Panel gaps were checked, trim restored, and glass polished until it disappeared into clarity, making the car look as though it had just rolled out of the factory, if not better. The final detailing touches brought everything together. Badges gleamed, exhaust tips shone like chrome sculptures, and the paint was sealed to protect its renewed brilliance. When the last inspection was complete, the car stood transformed, no longer a tired machine but a reborn symbol of power and precision. Please, watching Fully Restorations, be patient.